In the home page, after working with the banner section, now I am going to work with the about section here, or you can call it the welcome section. So you see that this is the welcome section, and here is a welcome section heading, there is a welcome section description, and there is a photo for the welcome section, and there is a button text, and you can set up a button URL here if you want, and then there will be a status if you want to show this welcome section here or not. I am not going to show any status for the home section, that means for the banner section, because it must be mandatory. This section must be here. But in this case, the welcome section, you can make it optional. So the admin can show it, or admin can avoid it. In order to create this one, I am going to create a table. So I am going to my database, and here the table name I am going to give, for example, home welcomes, and here how many number of columns. So the columns are how many, for example, ID, then heading, then description, then photo, then button text, button link, and status. So for example, total 7 columns will be here. Now I am going to create it. So ID, then heading, then here description, then there is photo, then there is button text, button URL, and then status. So status can be, for example, the ID is auto increment and primary ID, and heading and all other fields you can give varchar for the heading. Description is text, and then photo is this, that is also varchar. Button text varchar, okay, and button URL here you can give also varchar. So I am going to give here varchar, and status is, for example, here active or pending or show or hide in this way. So I am going to give it 4, and show or hide, SHOW 4 characters, or hide SID 4 characters in both cases. And button text and URL are here, for example, nullable. Photo must be given, heading also must be given, and the description for the heading and the description should also be given. So I am not going to give anything here. So heading, description, photo, and the status must be given. Only the button is optional here. So after this, click on the save. Okay, so the home welcomes table come. Now I am going to insert a data here. By default, the data here will be this. So I am going to copy and paste it in the case of heading, and then the description is this. So I am going to copy, and here is the description. After that, the read more, this is the button, but there is a photo. So home, for example, name is welcome.jpg. Button text is read more, and here button URL is, for example, hash. Status will be show or hide, so I give here the show. That's good. Welcome. But here one thing, the status on the 4 I selected, actually I gave 4 but selected text. That is the wrong concept. Here it will be varchar, otherwise it will not work. So I am going to make it this. So now check it, structure, you see only 4, and here show is working. Now I am going to the admin panel. For the home welcome, I will create a section here. So I am going there. So in the sidebar, you see I added the home banner here, but if I want the drop down for all the home page sections, I can create a drop down. So here I can give name home sections, because there will be many sections under a home. And here you see this is active, and here this is active. So the current page is needed for me. I am going to the header, and in the top car page, this one is needed for me, and I can bring it from the help file. So this is the code for the current page. I am going to copy this, and here I am going to paste it. So the current page, page name, that means home.php or home welcome.php. In this way, this thing is in my hand. I am now going to check which one will be active. Here you see this is a drop down and there is a active. So how I can show this active? I will show you this. Here instead of item 1, first I am going to give here the welcome, or what is the section? Banner. So home banner section was this, and as the second item, this is welcome section. So that what I did in the case of here cart, and here in the case of banner I am going to paste it. So home banner.php, here the class will be active. Yes, class will be active. Similarly here I paste it, and here it will be home welcome.php. Home welcome.php, if selected, then this will be active. And here this one will be if current page equal to this or this. And here instead of writing active in this way, I am going to use the short form, that is echo if this, then question mark, this one will be active, otherwise there will be nothing. I just use the short form. So in this way you can show it, and here I can call that is home welcome. Similarly here I am going to show the same thing, that is here I am going, sorry, not dashboard, I will have to work here. So here I call if current page equal to home banner, or here I can call or car page equal home welcome dot php, then it will be active and then it should work. And home welcome dot php, I do not have any page by this name yet, so I am going to the admin, and into the admin folder I am going to create home welcome.php page. What I did in the case of home banner page, I will do the similar thing. So I am going to copy the data, and in the home welcome I am going to paste it. Now in the home welcome, what will be my things? This is home welcomes. From home welcomes table I am going to get the data first, and here will be current photo. Okay, so not current background, it will be current photo. Existing, here will be photo, and the result will be here photo. And now here instead of background, this will be photo, this one will be photo here, and this one will also be photo here. So heading is okay, result of heading, and another one is description. So description I am going to give, and this is mandatory here I put, and instead of this it will be text area. So I use the text area here is 100, or here you can give 200 to make it bigger, and here it is description. Okay, so heading, and this is description. And after home and description, what is there? I am going to remove all other items from here now. So heading, description, and what are others? I am going to show you heading, description, photo already added, button text, button URL, status. So here I am going to copy the heading section. So I am going to put here, that is the button text. So button text, and here I am going to put button text, and then it will be button URL. So button URL, and here it will be button URL. And after that there will be another one, that is the status. So status like this, status is mandatory, but button text and URL are not mandatory. So I am going to remove this from here, and here the status, here it will be select. So here it will be status and class equal to form select. So like this, form select. Now here you will have to call the active. So if the result status equal active, then select it. Okay, so this one is okay. Status not active, it will be show, because I will show the status as show or hide. So show, and where there is inactive it will be hide. Okay, and form update, this is also okay, and this is the photo, existing photo will be shown here. This is okay, no problem. And I am going back to the top. So heading cannot be empty is okay. I am going to give description, so here it will be description cannot be empty. So heading description, and button text URL no need. Status is a select box, so there is also no need. And here where there is background, I am going to select, and the background will be photo in all cases. And instead of current photo, here is actually current photo will be a wrong concept. It will be actually, the error is also in the home banner I see now. There was current background, not this way, it will be like this. So copy, here it will be current background like this. Okay, so post of, so similarly it will be the post of current background. So okay, so photo and this is the background, so background is here, and here I change it, and please upload a valid photo. Uploads here will be uploaded, and here it will be home welcome underscore. This will be the photo name prefix here. Now I am going to update the home welcomes banner, close it, home welcomes, and then set heading is okay, then description, and after that there will be button text. So button text, there will be button URL, and then there will be a status photo, and then there will be a status. So like this. So home welcomes, first is heading, it is okay, then there is description, here I will have to call description, then button text, so button text, button URL, so I copy this and paste it here, that is button URL. After that, and there is a photo is file name is okay, and the status, so status is this, and this item I need to remove. So data update is successful, and here is home welcome.php in both cases. Okay, the task should be done. Now I am going here, refresh it, you see home sections. If I click here, banner, okay, but banner is not working. Why? Welcome, from the dashboard I am going to click on banner, but the link is, I did not actually give the link here, that is the problem. Here anchor, you see there is an anchor and the link is empty. So here I will give here the links, that is home banner.php, here it will be taken. But as here this is aref echo, here I will call the admin URL, so admin URL. So this href I am going to copy from here and here paste. This will be home welcome. Okay, and this one is not needed anymore, so I remove it. And here you see there is an icon in the case of dashboard. If I put separate icon, it will be better, home. And here I am going to put the icon home sections, for example TV. So let's check it how it looks like. Refresh. Yes, it is working. So icon is working. Now if I click on banner, this is the banner. If I click on welcome, then the welcome section is working, but as there is no photo, it is not showing anything. Now if I want to change the information, click on update, description cannot be empty. So there is something error in the case of description. I am going to check. So description is this, and here in the bottom it is showing the description, because text area name equal to text, here it will be description. Okay, name equal to description, and here type equal to text, and name equal to heading. So name is the main thing, name, heading, description, button text, button URL. Now it should work. I am going to refresh it now, and now I am going to click here in the update. I am going to change the banner photo now. Let's check if it works or not. So select it, update, you see data is updated. This is the photo, this is the banner photo, and welcome photo is now this. I am again going to change the photo, for example accommodation, this one. I am going to click on update, you see the data is changed. And if it is really working or not in my project, I am going to the uploads folder, and into the uploads folder, if I go to bottom or here home, I am going to search the home. You see the images are not unlinked. Home banner is okay. Home banner, this one I'm going to remove because my banner is now this, and in the home welcome you see this. So this one will be removed and the new one will be uploaded. So let's check it. I am going, for example, to add this one. Okay, so update, data is updated successfully. Now if I go here, you see the previous one is not here anymore, so it is working perfectly. Now if I want to change any information here and also here, update, you see data is updated. And now if you go to the table, you see the updated data is coming here. So again I am going back and remove it. So from here and from here I am going to remove it. Okay, and also show or hide is working. I am going to check, you see data update and the hide is now here selected. So these fields are long, so if you want you can put all this into one line. So in that case you will have to call row, then call md4 into 3, and here you can put like this. So here I cut the data from here and paste it here, and it will be like this. And here I am going to cut and paste it here, it will be like this one. And the last item I am going to cut and here, and it will be like this one. I think it will look better now. So refresh, you see all are in the same line, it looks better now. Now my task is to show this data into the front end. This is my front end and this is the welcome section. I am going to my front end now. So this is index.php. This is the banner section. I already have worked with that. And this is the about section or welcome section. Now I am going to open the layouts header.php. Like the banner data, I am going to pull here the welcome data. So home, welcomes, and here is welcome data, for example. And here the welcome data I am going to call in this place, that is index.php. Instead of giving only banner data, I am going to call home banner data, and here is home welcome data. Okay, so home banner data I will use. Where I use the banner data, I am going to replace it by home banner data. So okay, there is a buy button. I will work with that later, not now, so I am going to close it. Okay, so after that, this is the home banner, home welcome data. So I will check first if that is the home welcome data of 0 of status. If the status equal show, then only this one will be shown, otherwise this will be hidden. And here PHP end if. So I call the if condition here. If the data equal show, then only all the things, that means in the welcome section all the data will be shown. And here you see this is the home welcome data of heading. So here I call PHP echo home welcome data, here it will be heading. And now I am going to copy this. This one will be the description, so just remove it, and this one will be description. So like this. After that, here you can call NL2BR in order to show all the data in the good format, in the format that you entered. And this is the button text. So here I am going to give button text, and where it will go, this will be button URL. So here I call button URL. Okay, and this is the photo. Here I will call, this is the photo. So uploads, and this is the photo. So this section should be completely dynamic now and should work. I am going to refresh. You see there is no section like this because here I made the status hidden. So I am going to show it, update. Now if you go here, refresh, you see this one coming. And here, welcome to our website. If you now change the data, for example, this one, here 2, instead of read more, I put like this. So data update successful. And now if I refresh, you see the data is updated as I given here. So I am going to bring it back. So like this. And now click on update. And if I refresh, you see it is working. So this photo should not be here because this is not my real photo. I am going to bring the main photo here. That is actually banner home. This is counter. Here is welcome or about. I am going to search. Where is this? In the HTML sponsor main, not this one. This one was the main photo, about, right? So okay, open and update. So this is actually the main photo. So now refresh, you see the photo comes here. So the welcome section is perfectly working.